Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've not done this in a while, and yeah, so this is going to be a typical apartment vlog. This really does well in apartment tour. Actually, it does really well on my channel, so I was like, okay, I'm here, this is nice, this is very cute and very cozy. I'm like, okay, let me show you guys what this looks like. This apartment is Giddy Stay in the heart of Lagos, Nigeria. So let's go, let's do this. Let me start the tour with the living area, kitchen, and let me just show you guys. So starting off strong, when you come in from the main door, this is what the main door looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the living area. This is all there is to it. I said this apartment is really cozy, really cozy. It has like a, I don't know what's called this, maybe a 3-seater, an L-shaped chair. I'm going to show you guys from the other angle too, but I want to show you guys from here first. We have typical AC, TV, shelf, very small. They manage the space really well. I think that's what I like about this apartment. There's a stool here. I also have like shelves for decoration. This is really pretty. I like this. I was just thinking of filming like fashion content here, but I came here to rest, so we are going to rest. And we have like shelves, I say shelves, what's it called, frames or whatever. Really pretty, matches the frames and everything that they have going on. We also have lights up here and all of that. Like basically, let me show you guys the next part I want to show you. So moving on to the kitchen area, this is like an open plan kitchen, really nice, really cute. When they sent this to us, the pictures, it looked much bigger, but I knew it was going to be small because I've seen some other vlogs here. I think Yechi, she's a YouTuber here, she also has like a video of this apartment. So this is what the kitchen area looks like. Open kitchen with a stool, like a little dining here. So we have this going on here, just like you can see. We have the kitchen. I think the fridge is here. Yes, this is where the fridge is hidden. Let me show you guys. And we have a microwave here. We have storage. Just like I said, they manage this space really well. We have heat extractor, and they kept some goodies here for us. Yeah, we have the gas cooker. We also have this water heater, and we have a coffee maker. More storage, really cute. Yeah, the wash to wash your dishes. There's like stuff you can use, tissue, all of that. We also have a washing machine. Let me see what's here. I think it's just more storage basically. Yeah, just cleaning supplies and more storage. I don't know, how does this one open? This one has to close, but I think there's, I'm not going to struggle with that because I'm tired. Yeah, so we have this going on here. Yeah, so let me show you guys the living area from, and there are also games. Yeah, they have games here. If you ask, everything here is really pretty, like really beautiful. Yeah, so this is the living area from this angle. So you can see the kitchen, everything is just open and stuff, and this is what it looks like from here also. Yeah, really pretty. So moving on to the next part, we have the bathroom. Ooh, I like it. I don't know, I just like it. I don't know why, but I really like it. This is what it's giving. Yeah, we have a where you just shower, basically shower area. Yeah, it has this space to keep your stuff while showering. We have a mirror, and my glowing skin is featuring. Oh, it looks so pretty. I look so pretty. Yeah, so let's continue the tour. We have toilets and more storage. The reason why I like this apartment is small, but it doesn't look clustered because there's like storage where you can keep things, and they also manage the space very well. So we have like a washing area here, more storage beneath, everything you basically need. They even kept toothpaste. Like, not everyone does this. This is really nice, really good stuff. So this is what the bathroom looks like. I'm going to keep some B-rolls for you guys to see here later. So this just closes like this, and it smells nice. Really, I like this apartment. Like, I love it. It's cozy, like you don't get away from the world. So this is the room. Like, there's not much to it because like this is the bed, and stuff. I even know this is dark, but okay, I think let me put on the lights here. Okay, yes, putting on the lights, this is what the room looks like. This is just your bed. You kept some towels here for the guests, and there's a TV here, there's ironing board, and there's iron. I don't show down because like our stuff is down there, but this is what the room looks like from this angle, and this is what it also looks like from this angle. Yeah, I said I'm going to leave some b-roll, some clips for you guys to see. Yeah, so I think that's basically it. Really, that's all it is. That's all there is to this apartment. Love it, love it, love it so much. Yeah. Guys, now that I have shown you guys everywhere, you can see details in my description box. Thank you guys for watching. As always, do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's do something with this channel. Yeah, so this is the apartment. Thank you guys for watching once again. Bye, see you on my next one. Mwah.